Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make white peas kurma. This is a very delicious side dish that best goes with rice, chapathi or dosa. Very easy to make with a very few basic ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Soak 2 cups of white peas in water overnight. Then drain off the water, clean wash it and add it to a pressure cooker. To this add 2 cups of water and half teaspoon of salt. Close the pressure cooker and cook for 5 whistles in medium flame. Allow the pressure to settle on its own and then open and check. The white peas is well done and ready. Keep this ready. Don't discard the water, we will be using that in this recipe. Heat a pan, into this add 4 teaspoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1 clove and 1 piece of cinnamon. Then to this add 1 cup of chopped onion. Give it a nice saute. Then add 6 green chillies and few curry leaves. We will not be adding any spices in this recipe, so you can be generous in adding green chillies. Give it a quick mix. Then to this add 1 tablespoon of chopped tomatoes. Mix it well. Then goes in a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well until the raw flavor of the ginger garlic paste goes off. Then add half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder and quarter teaspoon of Garam Masala. Mix it well. Now to this add the cooked white peas along with the water and allow it to come to a boil. Now it's nicely boiling, so go ahead and add 1 cup of coconut paste. Mix it well and cook for another 5 more minutes. It's been 5 minutes and the kurma is in perfect consistency, so off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now our delicious white peas kurma is ready to enjoy. Serve it nice and hot with some chapathi or dosa or with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this white peas kurma recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.